Every day, millions of people trust them to carry them safely between floors. But behind the simple push of a button lies an incredible system of pulleys, counterweights, and precision engineering. Welcome to the hidden world of elevators, where physics and technology combine to create vertical transportation marvels. It all begins when you press the button. That signal is sent to a central control unit, which decides where the elevator should go and how it should get there. In an instant, complex algorithms calculate the most efficient route, factoring in other calls, current position, and even predicted traffic patterns. The brain of the elevator springs into action, setting off a chain reaction of mechanical and electrical systems. A powerful electric motor at the top of the shaft winds heavy steel cables around a pulley. These cables are the lifelines that raise and lower the car with absolute precision. As the motor hums to life, gears engage and the massive drum begins to turn. The cables, each capable of supporting the entire weight of the car, tense and flex as they take up the load. But there's more to this vertical dance than just raw power. To balance the load, a counterweight moves in the opposite direction of the car. This reduces the motor's workload and saves huge amounts of energy. As the elevator car ascends, the counterweight descends, creating a delicate equilibrium. This ingenious system means the motor only needs to overcome friction and the difference in weight between the car and its counterweight. Elevators are packed with safety systems, emergency brakes that clamp onto the rails if cables ever fail, and sensors that prevent doors from closing on passengers. Hidden within the shaft are multiple layers of protection. Electromagnetic brakes stand ready to engage at a moment's notice, gripping the guide rails with tremendous force. Door sensors use infrared beams to detect even the slightest obstruction, ensuring passengers can enter and exit safely. Guided by steel rails, the car glides smoothly, stopping exactly level with each floor. A seamless blend of mechanical power and electronic intelligence. Precision sensors track the car's position down to the millimeter, while advanced leveling systems make micro-adjustments to ensure a perfectly flush stop. The doors part silently, revealing no hint of the complex choreography that just took place. But the journey doesn't end there. As passengers step out, the elevator is already planning its next move. It might wait at that floor, anticipating more riders, or immediately set off to answer another call. The control system constantly optimizes, reducing wait times and maximizing efficiency across the entire building. Let's dive deeper into the heart of the elevator system, the motor room. Here, massive electric motors stand ready to move tons of weight at a moment's notice. These aren't your average motors, they're engineering marvels designed for reliability and precision. Some modern systems use gearless designs, where the motor directly drives the sheave. That's the grooved wheel the cables wrap around. The cables themselves are technological wonders. Made from high-strength steel and woven into intricate patterns, they're designed to last for years under constant stress. Regular inspections ensure their integrity, but multiple redundant cables mean even if one were to fail, the others would hold. Now, let's talk about those counterweights. They're not just simple blocks of concrete. Engineers carefully calculate their mass to be roughly equal to the weight of the car plus 40% of its maximum load capacity. This balance point optimizes energy efficiency across a range of passenger loads. Safety isn't just about brakes and sensors. The entire shaft is designed as a fail-safe. Guide rails run the full length, keeping the car perfectly aligned. If the unthinkable were to happen and all cables failed, emergency brakes would instantly grip these rails, bringing the car to a rapid but controlled stop. But it's not all about going up. When an elevator descends, it actually generates electricity. This regenerative braking system captures that energy and feeds it back into the building's power grid, further improving efficiency. Let's not forget the unsung heroes of the elevator world, the door mechanisms. These precision systems open and close hundreds of times a day, perfectly synchronized with the car's arrival. Sensors ensure they never close on a passenger, while interlocks prevent the car from moving unless all doors are securely shut. Modern elevators are getting smarter, too. Some use artificial intelligence to predict traffic patterns, positioning cars where they're most likely to be needed. Others integrate with building security systems, only allowing access to certain floors based on keycard permissions. The user interface is evolving as well. Gone are the days of simple buttons. Today's elevators might feature touchscreens, voice control, or even completely hands-free operation. Some systems allow you to call an elevator from your smartphone before you even enter the building. But what about those super tall skyscrapers? They present unique challenges. The weight of the cables themselves becomes a limiting factor. That's where innovations like carbon fiber ropes and multi-car systems come in. Some buildings even use sky lobbies, where you take one express elevator to a transfer floor, then switch to a local car. Maintenance is crucial to keeping these vertical highways running smoothly. Teams of skilled technicians regularly inspect every component, from the tiniest sensor to the massive motor. Predictive maintenance systems use data analytics to spot potential issues before they become problems, ensuring reliability and safety. As buildings reach ever greater heights, elevator technology continues to push boundaries. Magnetic levitation systems, like those used in high-speed trains, are being adapted for vertical transport. These could potentially allow for faster, smoother rides and even horizontal movement between shafts. From buttons to counterweights, elevators are hidden marvels of engineering, carrying us effortlessly, floor after floor, every single day. The next time you step into an elevator, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology working silently behind the scenes, whisking you to your destination with speed, safety, and precision.